morning. We've just been motor sailing overnight. It's been a crazy few days. Just getting back to the US and we've been kind of like go, go, go. So I don't think anybody filmed anything in the night here. We've actually just been like motor sailing up the coast. I don't think much have happened. It's about 7 a.m. right now. We have some current with us though, which is awesome, like 2 knots, something like that. I just woke up and I think in the end of my watch in about 3 hours we will start like heading in and then we'll get there. So it should be good. It's a pretty nice sunrise, I think. And just gonna sit out here and look for lobster pots and stuff. And that's about it. It's a pretty well-marked channel, huh?
Yeah, it is. And I'm pretty sure the depths are pretty accurate around here. You get to use so much, you know? Look at that. How crazy is that? It's Miami.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's Miami. We're just gonna go anchor right behind Key Biscayne and wait for Brett, Jess, and the little kitties to show up.
They've never seen the boat, right?
I don't know. I don't think so. I know the kids definitely haven't. Maybe Brett and Jess had been to Seattle before Brian left, but nope, they've only seen it on the YouTube. So
that's crazy.
Yeah, I think they're excited.
Crazy to see Miami just popping out of the horizon against the bright teal water. Oh my gosh, stop it! Stop it, stop it, stop it! Hi! Oh my god! Hi! Oh my god!
They were massive!
Yeah! They were only here for like 1 second.
Yeah.
They're like, you guys are going too slow. So Brady just yelled at, he wants to cut out of the channel right here. He thinks that we can cut in a more direct path, otherwise we have to go really far away to go through the channel.
Trying to get over to Key Biscayne, which is over here. There's a pass right in front of us that shows like 3 meters and then it goes to 4.3 meters.
Yeah.
And there's a weird spot that's a 1 meter spot off to the right. So if we do that, it'll save us like 10 miles each way. We're gonna put the dinghy in and have it go ahead of Delos and check depths.
Jeff 169. 2.5.
Okay. Good, that's again.
2.8.
The whole way through, we've seen 3 meters, 2.8. So clear to come through, over. Yeah, okay, copy that. Reversing. Oh, we're set. We're set real good.
We just had an on-the-fly trash pickup. And it's a water gun! Gotta put the new gun to use. Cut hard, cut hard.
Hey, hey!
Ah! Oh my gosh, try.
Make a rain on them.
Gotcha, bitch! The time has come.
Then we have 3 boys in the family, the Troutman family. They're all BRs, Brian, Brett, and Brady.
Good to see you guys.
Yeah, we took Uber.
Yeah. Good? So good, yeah. Oh, good, guy. Yeah.
Special like for you.
I put my shark undies on. Ooh, those are nice. Yeah. Almost got a bite there. Yeah, get you.
Have you guys ever seen Delos before? In person?
We did when it was in Seattle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like 10 years ago.
Long
Long time ago.
Like
we didn't go on it though. Like, we went on it, but we didn't take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Are you excited to go sailing, Jaden?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool, let's do it.
Amazingly. Real tiny in.
It means a lot to share this lifestyle with others. And now that we had arrived in the Sunshine State, we finally had a chance to introduce our brother Brett and his family to the ways of the cruiser.
Nice. Made it.
After mandatory Bloody Marys, we got out all the floaty toys and played around Delos.
That was great.
A proper cruising day wouldn't be complete without a land mission, so we headed to explore the lighthouse on the point.
Worth it.
Is it worth it?
How was you guys' first night on Delos?
Good.
Was it good?
It was beautiful.
What was your favorite thing about yesterday?
Jumping in the water.
Yeah? And how about you, Mommy?
Hi. Mommy. It was fun.
You slept alright?
I slept amazing.
I slept right there.
We're right here?
Yep. It's really nice. Nice and cozy.
So today's a very special day because our dad actually decided to come as well on the sail from Key Biscayne up to Pompano Beach. So we're gonna go in and pick up Dad and Donna, and the whole family is going sailing today. It's gonna be really cool, like a 9-hour sail probably up the coast. Come on, you got this.
Oh, look who it is. Look who you found.
See who I found.
Papa Delos in the house.
Hi, Mama, son.
Good to see you, Dad.
Hans. We made it to Florida. How about that, huh?
Take this, please. Michael.
Michael, pay attention. Hi, Donna.
Hi, honey.
Well, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Oh.
Well, I don't want to kiss the baby.
Oh.
Blue.
We're here too.
Movie star.
Wait a second, I remember you puking on the ferry in
That was it. That's the only
That's the only
time.
time? Maybe you
Only
were
time I
hungover.
ever got sick on a boat.
And now you're labeled as a seasick man.
Dad, did you take your pills?
Yes.
I told
Actually, I found something that works better. The pen. Because the pen is mightier than the pill.
Did you take it?
No, I'm going to take it right now. Here it is.
What's that, your CBD capsules?
No. Each one has 16 gallons of marijuana
16
Gallons.
compressed. Can I have a drink?
All right, let's go sailing. Don't forget to ask questions, Jess, about what we're doing.
Brady, what does this do exactly?
That is called the out haul. I'm unfurling the sail and you're pulling the foot of it out. What are you doing?
Ah, look at that.
Look at you, you're like a sailor. There you go.
These buttons right here bring the mainsail in and out. So if you push this one back, watch what happens to the sail.
Is the port sheet. Yeah. So that's what you're going to be pulling on, right? There we go. Well, that's it, Brett. Engine's off and we're sailing.
Good day for sailing today. Awesome. Do you like it? We're sailing.
Yeah.
Smooth motion.
So we have to go through 2 bridges to get into the dock that we're staying at. And this first one goes up every 15 minutes and the next one goes up every 30 minutes. So I think we're just cutting it pretty close on this one, but we should make it.
We couldn't be better. Right now it is almost dead high tide, and this Hillsborough Inlet here that comes into Pompano area, like, it can rip. So the current, especially because full moon is today, so the current in here can get up to like 6-7 knots on big tides.
What?
Yeah. So like probably right now it's slack, so there's a lot of boats going in and out. But tonight at like probably 8 or 9, halfway between, it'll be rushing out here. Oh my god. It's like people are in a rush to slow down.
Yeah, wow, people are being very hectic.
Jesus.
Here we go.
What? Woo!
Hold on, we're on your bridges.
Yeah, so it's another 6 minutes and then the bridge should open again and we should be able to get through, I think.
What do you see, Brett? I see a nice little beachy right here. It looks beautiful. Really beach spot.
How does it feel going to tight bridges?
It's a little hectic, but I think we're doing. How's my clearance on starboard side there, brother?
Stick to starboard side.
Okay.
Oh, it's always a bit scary.
Alright, you're good on this angle, bro.
Nice.
Ooh, it's always freaky coming through bridges.
All right.
Yeah, plenty of clearance. It always looks closer than it is, too. Thank you, Bridge Master. I feel pretty excited right now. It's crazy. There's so many boats.
We just sort of go slow and like stay a little bit more to the center.
It's kind of what I imagined, though. A little bit hectic. All the people, everybody's like driving really fast, but it's really nice.
What did that cop say when he rolled up?
Oh man, I'm like, oh great. They're like gonna ask how many life vests we have on board, or like, there's a bunch of people.
That's awesome. My wife is never going to believe that I just ran into you. I've been on YouTube for a very long time.
Yeah, we hear that, man.
Did he scare you, Jay?
Yeah.
What did he say though? Did you hear what he
He said you guys are arrested for having too much fun.
I'm glad we're going a little bit in though, because like being anchored out here, like there would be so much waves and stuff. So I think further in, hopefully it'll be a little bit more chill.
We're like feet from the dock, and I think the keel's just hitting the bottom because Brian's trying to thrust the bow over, and we're just like not going past a certain point. So yeah. But it's supposed to be high tide. Oh no, it is. Yeah, it's lowish tide. Okay, they just said low tides 30 minutes ago. So, ooh, this is interesting to come all this way and then be a few feet away and not be able to make it.
So close.
Maybe. we'll have to see what happens.
Far.
Yeah.
It seems to be running around right here by the dock. We can't get any closer.
I know. We could probably ask the officer to.
We have to wait for tide to come up again. Yeah.
Well, it is like the lowest tide of the entire month.
It shows 1.8 meters under us, but it's such a steep slope right there, like we're... You guys got on solid ground.
Yep.
You got your apple juices. right, I might do it too.
You did it. You did it. That was seamless.
Jim is one of our patrons and contacted us about using his dock for a bit to get situated and do some work on Delos. Enticing us with his green egg, it was hard to say no.
We made it. Nice. Welcome to Pompano Beach.
Up next, we dig into a ton of boat work,
Welcome to my office.
and Brian and Karen leave for Sweden.
Bushmaster out there, my crewman. Come on and buy some of our stuff. Buy him a beer. Doesn't he look thirsty? Come on. We got shirts. We got mugs. We got it all. Come aboard.
All right, I want to see a big fake laugh on this one. Let's see your fake laugh, Dad. Got it?
Whoa!
What? That's a good one. That was a real one.
Dying squirrel. There you go. That's why you have kids around.
That's pretty good. He's pretty strong.
You almost, man.
Nope. Okay.
You did good, brother. Business in the front, party in the back.
You like it? I like it a lot.